Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word, which is one of the most popular word processing programs in the world. Whether you are a student, a writer, or just need to create documents for work, this tutorial will teach you the basics of using Word. So, let's get started. Step 1. Getting started with Word. The first step is to open Microsoft Word. You can do this by clicking on the icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once Word is open, you'll see a blank document on your screen. This is where you'll be typing and formatting your text. Step 2. Formatting text. Now that you have a document open in Word, you can start formatting your text. You can change the font, size, and color of your text, as well as bold, italicize, or underline it. You can also create headings, bullet points, and numbered lists to organize your text. Step 3. Adding images and graphics. If you want to add images or graphics to your Word document, you can do so using the Insert tab. You can insert pictures, shapes, charts, and more. You can also adjust the size, position, and formatting of your images. And there you have it, folks. A quick tutorial on how to use Microsoft Word. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.